Hi folks, and thank you for spending some time with me today. My name is Tom Peterson, been here about 28 years at Guarantee. We do have a 2019 263 RLS. It's got the big slide out, rear lounge, big windows. It's got a nice big split walk-through bathroom. We'll start on the inside and we'll finish up on the outside, and I'm sure you'll have some questions. Write them down and I'll get them for you at the end of the video. So it's a big deal when you're looking at travel trailers out there in a rear lounge that have either a side aisle to the master bedroom or a walk-through split bathroom. So in a smaller package, 26-footer, instead of jumping to 27, 28-foot boxes and having a side aisle, this is going to be smaller and more compact, a little bit less footage out there, a little bit less weight, and still giving you that nice rear lounge view with big windows and everything else in here. We have a couple shades down from the sun today. But we've got a split walk-through bath, which gives you a very roomy bathroom and lots of space. So you've got your shower here, you've got your sink and your medicine here that you're going to have. This is one of the earlier 2019s that do have the darker color cabinet still. They do also in 19 make some of the ones with a lighter color cabinets if you happen to prefer that. But look at all that storage in the bathroom there. So you got lots of room here. Going into the master bedroom, you have the doorway that goes out for additional light, and you have the emergency escape and extra light here coming through, and there's all of your storage overhead here and your shirt closets on both sides, and there'll be also some storage underneath the mattress here that you have from lifting that up. So that's nice too. Has the shocks on it. So we have a pocket door that would separate the master bedroom here, and as we kind of head our way back out, we have a solid door that will separate this. But again, smaller package, smaller setup, you can accommodate that by having a split walk-through bath. So nice feature with that. You're going to have your super slide out here. It's going to include your booth dinette with these nice sealed counter tabletops on that. Also has the optional tri-folding sofa, I believe. Let's double check. I think it is. Yep, so that'll come out into the room here and give you a nice big bed for 2 adults if you need to. Again, storage above the couch there, your 2 chairs, which you see are recliners too, and a nice high back to them. Nice fabrics, kind of more like a leatherish kind of feel. Really, really nice fabric, really thick and durable. You've got storage overhead here, your back windows there. It's real nice. And then of course, as far as your counters here, you've got the double sink covers and kind of a recessed sunken sink in there for ease of cleanup and everything too. Your faucet here on the counters, again sealed around the edges so you don't have any of those things peeling off that sometimes can happen. And I like the way they put a shelf in here for additional storage. So you've got the stainless steel option on here. This is going to have a legacy trim upgrade, and they do have a little bit nicer finishes. Stainless here, and on that oven front. And you do have the glass top here that folds up out of the way nicely too, I like. And also it looks like they now have the little slots in here, and I believe those are for knives if you want to put some knives back in there. Your refrigerator is up a little bit higher, so easy to get to your milk and everything in your freezer section. Open area here for some soft storage, paper towels and things like that. Your television and entertainment center with a little bit of storage above and below that as well, with another little shelf. But pretty good sized TV. It looks to me like it's probably a 32, but you can always call me at the end of this video. There'll be a phone number to give me a call if you want more details about what this vehicle has and the differences between a Coachmen product versus some of the other brands that you might see online. Again, the shades are a pull shade that we have all the way throughout. We'll go ahead and start on the outside and show you a few more things as well that we got in. We'll start back over in the back side here, your spare tire, your power supply cord. There's your window that does open up, getting you some more extra ventilation inside the coach. Nice deep slide out for that living room. Again, it's a smaller footprint, so it's kind of one of our largest rear lounge trailers we have with that super slide out. So it's really nice to have, you know, in a 26-footer, get all that extra space. You do have your outside shower and your city water connection and your black tank flush over on this side. And then we've got this area here, which will be your storage that runs through underneath there to the other side. And you also are going to have your room for 2 batteries up on the front there behind, as well as your larger tank and your power tongue jack. So again, at Guarantee here in Junction City, we have a large selection. Coachmen's a great product. We're really proud to carry that brand. It's owned by Forest River, and they have lots of different floor plans, and you'll have a lot of questions. So please write them down. Give me a call at the end of the video. There's a phone number there for you to call. And remember, at Guarantee in Junction City, it is an RV show every day.